Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and I got some more stuff from Plug Tech. I don't know if you guys remember, but a few months ago I picked up that Z Fold 4 from Plug Tech, and it was in really good condition. I was really happy with what I got for the price and the quality. So these keyboards usually run about 200 bucks. I picked this up on Plug for $150 in excellent condition. I'm pretty sure this was just like an open box return. As you can see, the keys are all in great condition. There's nothing on them, no dirt, really no signs of use. If we flip it over, there's no wear marks. That's for me. There's no wear marks or anything like that. It's been sitting on my desk for a couple days, so there's a little bit of like dust right there, but again, that is from me. So pick this up for about 50 bucks off what it would cost new. It actually came in the original box. It was just missing the lightning cable, so that's why I think they probably got this as like an open box return from a store, and then they resold it. So very good value in my opinion, because like I said, these usually run $200, and this is the keyboard with Touch ID. This is not just the regular Apple keyboard. This is the Touch ID version. And then over here, I picked this Magic Mouse up for like 50 bucks. So I think that's like $20 off what they are brand new. Unless you find one on sale, you might be able to get a little bit cheaper. But again, that was from me, but a little hair right there for my cat. But as you can see, there's no wear marks on the little sliders right here, and nothing like that. The batteries are holding an excellent charge. You can see right here on my Mac Mini, Magic Mouse 55%, keyboard 100%. I haven't charged the Magic Mouse yet. The keyboard came at 10%, so I did charge that, and I just used it for a while. Hasn't dropped or anything crazy like that. So I do have an affiliate link for Plug Tech. If you make a purchase over $99 and you use code TECHOUT when you check out in the coupon code section, it'll give you $10 off. I'll also, my link is in the description. If you guys want to order anything, they have iPhones, they have iPads, Apple Watches, Google Watches, Android phones, Mac accessories, as you can see here. So a whole bunch of different stuff. Check them out. A lot of their stuff is very good quality. You can save a little bit of money by getting some stuff in good condition, which may have a scratch or two on it. So there are other ways to save money on there, but still a good deal. I saved a few bucks and I got a keyboard that looks brand new. So why pay full price when you can do that? So like I said, I'll leave their link down below. Use code TECHOUT when you check out and it'll take $10 off. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.